Here at the firm, we get many calls because someone's license is suspended because of tickets in Kansas, and they want to know how can they get it back. If you've been notified that your driver's license is suspended by the state of Kansas, even if you don't live here or have a Kansas license, you need to contact a Kansas traffic lawyer right away. There's a process that needs to be taken to get that hold or suspension lifted so you can get your license back. First, you'll need to determine the reason for the suspension. It could be due to unpaid fines, failure to maintain insurance, or failure to comply with a certain driving restriction, like an ignition interlock device or IID from an old DUI you received. Once you know the cause, the next steps is to fulfill the requirements set out by the local court where the offense was charged and the Kansas Department of Revenue. You will then need to find out if there are any pending warrants due to missed court or mandatory court appearances that need to be satisfied. Once that step's cleared, the court and the Department of Revenue should be able to tell you and your lawyer the specific actions that need to be taken to get the hold or suspension lifted. Such actions include the payment of outstanding fines or fees to the court or the department, providing proof of compliance or completion of any driving restrictions or requirements, or getting and providing proof of SR22 insurance. Before any actions can be taken, your lawyer will need to make sure that any plea or conviction will not result in further suspension or consequences on your license. Once all requirements have been met, you can request a reinstatement by submitting the necessary forms and paying a reinstatement fee. It's crucial to stay on top of all deadlines and follow up with your lawyer to ensure that everything is processed correctly. If you're facing difficulties and need help navigating this process, seeking legal advice can make a big difference. We can help make sure all paperwork is submitted accurately and on time, increasing your chances of having your license reinstated quickly. Don't let a suspended license disrupt your life. Contact us today to get started on your path to reinstatement. We're here to help.